Hello there, I'm back with another video. Today with a mechanical keyboard. Last time I did an unboxing of a keyboard here was over 5 years ago. That was a Red Gear Chameleon full-size mechanical keyboard with KL blue switches. Today it's a Kreo Hive, a 75% 10 keyless keyboard. Basic features are printed on the box. I got a Outemu Brown switch variant here, but this also comes with Outemu blue and Outemu red switch configurations as well. The MRP is mentioned as 4,600 rupees, but you can get it for around 2,700 on Amazon. I will link it in the description. Kreo is an Indian brand and they always talk about that. But this is just another brand which is located in India but manufacturing is done in China, which means they are doing false advertisement. The Kreo Hive comes in 3 switch types and 4 keycap color configurations. I chose the black purple keycaps, but you can choose all white, all black or white purple as well. The brand offers 400-day warranty and the customer support I got was excellent. Let's unbox the package. A small user manual welcomes us. There are also 2 Kreo stickers in black and white colors respectively. The manual contains instructions to control the backlight effect type, speed and brightness without using a computer software. There are also many inbuilt functions in this keyboard, which you can access by function key combos. And all the keys are configurable with Kreo software or Windows PowerToys application. Here's the detachable USB-C cable. The quality is not good on this one and I expected a braided one, as that 5-year-old cheaper keyboard had one. At least you can use any USB-C cable with this keyboard. They have also included a metal switch puller. The other side has a keycap puller. That means you can replace both keycaps as well as switches. But make sure that you get 2-pin Outemu switches to ensure compatibility. Cool. They have also included 2 extra switches, but I was expecting 3 from the Amazon listing. Since I bought brown switch variant of this keyboard, I got brown switches. Outemu switches are known to break easily as they are cheap copies of Cherry MX switches. But since this keyboard isn't that expensive, it is fine. Now let's check out the main item, the Kreo Hive mechanical keyboard. The keyboard is compact and looks cool, isn't it? There is a metal volume knob on the top right. This has a precision of 2 steps, but that is decided by Windows itself. But most of the times I get 4 steps because it needs to be adjusted slowly to get 2 steps. Clicking on this knob will mute or unmute the audio. This volume knob is totally unnecessary on a keyboard, because I just removed the page up and page down keys to control volume on a traditional keyboard, using PowerToys app, and the precision with that is always 2 steps. The chassis is made of entirely out of plastic that feels cheap. Again, that 5-year-old keyboard had metal parts. There are also several rubber parts on the bottom to add grip. There are 2 pairs of kickstands for 2 levels of height adjustment. Let's take out a keycap and examine the switch. The switches are in fact Outemu Brown switches. These switches are a cheap copy of Cherry MX Brown switches. These offer tactility of a blue switch, but while being less noisy like a red switch. After connecting it to a laptop, we can turn on it by pressing the volume knob. And here comes the glory of RGB. This is one of the rare keyboards in this price range to have per key RGB. You can customize it to have a varied range of colors using the Kreo Hive software on your PC. Let's have a typing sound test, shall we? The keyboard was a bit of difficult to type when compared to a membrane keyboard or a mechanical keyboard with KL blue switches. If that concerns you, I suggest to go with Outemu red switches as they require less actuation force. This marks the end of the unboxing. I'll make a review in the future if I like tapping on it. The Kreo Hive is a highly customizable mechanical keyboard with a ton of compromises as well. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next video and as always, I'm signing off.